South Africans, come here. Do you know what is the most mind-blowing thing about Umkwanazi's ad hoc committee right now? It's when he explained what crime intelligence was doing. Let's say you're a police officer and you have a farm or you have a building or a flat or whatever the case may be. You will then hire your friends as agents. Those agents get paid forever to just go and chill on the farm. Just chilling. They're supposed to fight crime and, tap phones and, do the spy stuff. No, they don't do it. They just chill. Meanwhile, drugs and guns is flowing in from KZN, Gauteng, and it gets distributed throughout South Africa. That's why now it makes sense for me why police officers become so depressed and frustrated in their jobs. Because they saw it and they knew it and there was nothing they can do about it. And if they spoke about it, they were moved away. And if they catch someone doing that, they'll move them from Gauteng to Pretoria, from Pretoria to KZN. How about that? So imagine you're actually working against your comrades, but you're a police officer. Sure, guys, pray for the police officers. My goodness. And on top of that, that's your tax money that was paid for agents, for friends, for people just to kick it. And so, while crime is happening in South Africa. You wanna know why? Because South Africans are stupid, that's why. Oh, another thing, the ANC knew about that because that's their police minister. The NEC was well aware of that, but they kept quiet because they were also eating off the profits of crime intelligence. How about that?